Today, we're going to cover how you can send gifts directly to your employees to recognize their achievements and show your appreciation publicly through workplace communication tools. Whether you're congratulating top performers, celebrating a finished project, or thanking someone for a job well done, appreciating employees is more important than ever. What's more, the powers of appreciation are magnified when the news is shared with a team. With the help of a workflow automation tool and our integration partner Zapier, both can be done in a few clicks. With Zapier, you can connect your workplace communication tool, such as Slack, MS Teams, or Yammer, to send a gift to your employees and broadcast that gift to a public channel. Let's see how this works in real time from the perspective of John, the HR specialist who runs the employee achievement programs for Globex. John has created 3 quarterly rewards programs for the company's employees. Each award program also has a dedicated private Slack channel that John uses to manage the distribution of the award. When it's time to recognize the employee, John can trigger the gift to be sent by entering their first name, last name, and email address in the private channel. When the information is submitted through the message, 2 things happen instantaneously. The award winner receives a personalized Snappy gift to their email, so they can feel great about their recent achievement. And a personalized message is sent to a public channel for everyone to see and recognize their hard work. Kaja not only received a wonderful Snappy gift, but was also recognized publicly for her contributions at work. This increased how much the gift meant to her, boosted her morale, and made her feel seen by the organization and her coworkers. Of course, coworkers were also excited about the awards program and started thinking about how to earn their very own Snappy gift. If you want to learn more about how you can recognize your employees through your workplace communication tool, please contact us. Happy gifting!